So YouTube, this your boy, Chevy Addict, y'all. I can't sleep, you know what I mean, but I'm going. But I want to do this unboxing right quick, y'all. So I can go ahead and post it tomorrow before I leave. Whew. So, stand by. Hi YouTube, this your boy. I'm back with a video, y'all. So I couldn't wait, I couldn't wait. So now I'm going to do this unboxing, y'all. So a long time coming. So got back in town, like I said, baby. I got this box. So let's see what it is, y'all. By the time of the video, you probably know what it is, you know what I mean? So let's see what happened, y'all. I got you, all right. Here you go, y'all. Let's go ahead and do this one first. So this right here, small, compact. Go ahead and do this one here. Two of the same package. So two of the same thing, so see what it is. Okay. Alright, y'all. This right here is my knock sensors. So I'm gonna break my engine down, cleaning it up, and painting it, right? So I'm gonna pick my knock sensors. Got the two knock sensors, and the two right here for them. I mean the plugs right here for them. And I got the glue inside the car already, so. Go ahead and get that out of the way. Now time for the big box, y'all. This right here. By the time it's something, you already know what it is, so let's go ahead and get this out. Take them out and inspect them, y'all. King Will, it's all packet they had. So I'm gonna show you what I got in here, which is my headers, y'all. These are my headers right here. It looks scuffed up though, but I'm gonna buy some little paint to fix that. Got my hole for my O2 sensors right here. Yep. Got my gaskets in the very bottom. Let me go to the side right here. And they're not that heavy, y'all. So these are the bolts and heads that I picked out right here. My gaskets right here, and the bolts, y'all. So this is the bolt I had at the bottom. The other black bolts too, y'all. So that's it. That's it for this video. Kind of short and sweet to the point. Got my instruction manual right here. Performance is better. So, like I said, they not even that heavy, y'all. Yep. So, go ahead and squeeze this back in the box. And put them back inside back of my car, y'all. So, this is the last of the pieces, but all that I did now is the computer. That'll be done, y'all. That being said, hope y'all enjoying y'all weekend. Like I said, tomorrow, I might start about 10 o'clock so I can do a live before I leave. So with that being said, y'all, make sure y'all come out live, check me out, and we'll go from there, y'all. So it's kind of rain, but enjoyed the video. Now, I'm gone, y'all. See y'all on the next unboxing, which is next month. On April I say about the April the 8th. You know what I mean? So that's my computer and my wire harness. You know what I mean? And my paint. So I'm gonna buy me some more paint. Strip the engine down again. And go ahead and paint it, y'all. So that being said, y'all, let's go ahead and get this video to like 10 likes. And show me some love. Leave me some comments so I can read. And talk to y'all soon, y'all. Peace.
I know I'm coming. They know I'm coming. I know they gonna be there. And they know I'm gonna do the best job I can possibly do.